OW and OU both say ow. Repeat. Ow. Let's practice some words. I'll say it first and you repeat. Ready? Crown. Pouch. Flower. Pound. Frown. Hour. Towel. Count. Crowd. South. Gown. Sound. Drown. Sprout. Clown. Brown. Mountain. Pow. Fountain. Brow. Excellent. Let's do it again. Crown. Pouch. Flower. Pound. Frown. Hour. Tell. Count. Crowd. South. Gown. Sound. Drown. Sprout. Clown. Brown. Mountain. Pow. Fountain. Brow. Excellent job. Now I'm going to give you a chance to say them by yourself. Go. Excellent job. Remember, OW says ow and OU says ow. I'm going to point to a word and you say it. Ready? Yep, south. Good job. Hour. Yes, that is flower. Great job. Mountain. Yes, frown. Good job. Sprout. Good job. Towel. You did an excellent job.